Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to clarify some things about my one-on-one business credit mentorship and give you guys some tips. So if you guys are looking to get no PG, business credit, lines of credit, working capital, revolving lines, store cards, whatever it may be, then you definitely want to pay attention and check out my more recent videos. Those videos are very helpful, even if you're not doing my one-on-one business credit mentorship. I just wanted to show, this is one of my other students and viewers, Don the Cleaner. This is data that I pull when I accept the one-on-one business credit mentorship. I will look at all this data, not just this data, but I look at Equifax, Experian, Dun & Bradstreet. But I look at what's important. So as you can see, all this is green. You want to have all this in green too. So I did a live stream. I will actually put it below there. You can watch that live stream. It's a bit long, but I actually break all this down in great detail. I just wanted to clarify because I get like 10 to 15 people a day texting me for free phone consultation for my one-on-one business credit mentorship. You can text me, but don't text me if you're just looking to get quick cash, like I need 100,000 by next week. I'm not here to help people get quick cash. Typically people that are looking for quick cash, like overnight, like I need 20,000 within a week or so. That's not what I'm here for. Although I do have several students that have got, even the first week, I've had students of mine that have got $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 in approvals, but that's also not the norm. I'm here to help you go through step by step on a weekly basis to make sure you're doing everything right. So if I accept you for my one-on-one business credit mentorship, you'll go into my client portal. Looks like this, and we have an Android and iOS app too. But this is basically the gist of things. You're gonna register. After you register, you're gonna fill out all this intake information, and then after that, I'm gonna be able to do the full audit. Typically takes me about 24 hours. I'll have the audit done, and you're not gonna see all these tasks. This is just like a demo account. I don't assign this many tasks at one time to a student. I only give you about 5 to 7 tasks after I do the full audit on all of your business credit reports, and I look at LexisNexis legal research as well. So this is just kind of an example to show you one of the steps. If I assign this task to you, this is the Actions Naven card. Just to give you an example. When you click this, I literally tell you exactly what to do for that particular task. So kind of shows like a tutorial what you need to do. And this is all my information. And it's not, if 2 students signed up on my mentorship today, those 2 students won't get the same tasks. It's going to be at different times, different tasks based on what the audit, when I do the audit, I'm going to look at everything as a whole picture, and it's not always applying for credit lines. There's other steps that you need to take to have that foundation built up strong so that no PG, no personal guarantee, business credit underwriters, you pass that KYC, KYB process. So you could have good personal credit, good business credit, and still get denied because you don't pass the KYB process. It's very important. But I break everything down in great detail, what exactly you have to do, and I walk you through everything. It is one-on-one, so it's not a type of thing where one size fits all. That's not the case at all, because every business is different. I kind of wanted to show this to you guys, but I want to make it very clear, don't contact me if you're just looking to quick cash. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to teach people that are serious about wanting to know how to properly build up business credit and not taking the shortcuts, but wanting to actually learn ways that you can strategically take, say, business gas card and liquidate that, possibly use it for inventory, or like in my case, I bought 3 houses using gas cards back in 2021 during COVID. Now, I'm not saying you have to do that. I just know how to liquidate business gas cards, and it's a method that I actually teach to some of my students, not all my students. It depends if I feel you're ready for it, because I don't want people abusing things and then ruining it for legitimate. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there that are, I don't want to say scammers, but take advantage of the no PG underwriters. I'm friends with a lot of the underwriters, and I don't want anybody taking advantage of them. So anyways, just text me 937-423-9954. That is my personal cell phone number. Just don't call, just text first, and then I'll text you back, and then we can dial something in. Like I said, only contact me if you're serious about getting business credit. You don't need to get this many. I wouldn't advise that to anybody, but everything that I have my students go after is no PG. We exhaust all no personal guarantee options first. And then once that's done, which that rarely happens, but once we exhaust all no personal guarantee options and you still need more funding, then we start doing strategic methods. And then a lot of my students, they're in real estate and their end goal is to get a large SBA loan. We get you all prepared for that. And you deal with me one-on-one as well as my office manager. And that's just us two. That's all you'll deal with. I don't have a sales floor or anything like that. But you have to be a good fit for me as well. I don't want to deal with people that want to take shortcuts. Yeah, you can take shortcuts by doing the mentorship so you don't have to waste time, because time is money, but you need to do it the right way. You need to be able to spend at least 1 to 2 hours of your time per week completing the 5 to 7 tasks that I'm going to assign to you on a weekly basis. And then every week it starts getting more fine-tuned, and then we go from there, and you'll start to see that there's like a pattern. Everything is customized. I'm not going to have you go after getting a Sunbelt Rentals trade line or a starter vendor that you don't need. So anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. Text me 937-423-9954. And if anybody wants to get their free credit safe profile, just email me, support@joshuavanhorn.com. Tell me your business name and the state, and I'll download and send it over to you, no charge. All right, until next time, guys, take care.